So if to apply material to a wall, let's say to change this color in this wall, you can select it, click on edit type here, and under the parameter construction, you see structure, click on edit again. And the third click is, under structure again. Under material, you see these 3 tiny buttons, you click on it, and then it will open up the material browser. In this material browser, you can now select what kind of material you want. You can also search. Let's say you want wall paint. You can search for wall paint. It's going to, sorry, I joined it together. Let me space it. You'll see all the wall paint there, and then you can select and then just click on OK to apply. But if you wanted to duplicate and create your own, you can right click, duplicate material and assets. It's going to create a door frame. It will ask you to rename it. Maybe I want this to be orange, and then this is going to be orange. You can see it here. I can go to appearance, and under color of this wall paint here, change the color. Now I know this is a little bit much, but unfortunately this is how Revit works in terms of applying materials. Do I like it? Not really. Well, it is what it is. So you click on OK, click on OK again, and you can see this whole wall paint have changed. The same thing for floors, roof, windows, elements like that. You need to go through this process. Then if it's a generic element is a component you modeled in place. You need to select it, double click on it to edit it, or you select it and click on edit in place. Once it's in the edit mode, this is slightly simpler. Once it's in the edit mode, you can select it, and under material and finishes, you'll see the material, you see the name there. Once you click here, these tiny 3 dotted buttons will come out, and then you can click on it and go through the process we just went through. So if I wanted it to be like, let's say red, I select this red, and you can see this is pure red now. And I'll click finish, and this is a quick tutorial on how to apply materials. So we're gonna stop here. Thanks for watching. You can check out my other videos and other quick tutorial videos. Thanks. Peace.